In this video, I'll share with you how to work less in your small business, how to really prioritize and focus on what matters. Hi, I'm Linnea. I help female business owners streamline their work so that they get more time for what really matters. If you're interested in my services, you will find the link in the description below. You have probably already heard about the 80-20 principle or the Pareto principle. It was invented by an Italian economist, Vilfredo Pareto, about 150 years ago, but it's still so useful today and lots of us don't use it. So it basically says that for many outcomes, 80% of the consequences come from 20% of the causes. So if we apply that to a business, 80% of the revenue comes from 20% of the clients. Or if we want to apply it to our personal life to start being happier, we could say that 80% of the fun or the happiness in our life come from 20% of the activities that we do. If you want to become really productive, make sure that you download the free guide that I prepare for you. You will find the link in the description below. Let's use the Pareto principle to identify which are those things in your business that you don't really need to spend that much time on. So it's a 4-step approach. The first step is to identify all the weekly tasks, everything that you do on a weekly basis, and write that down in a file or a piece of paper. So you can do this by having a look at your agenda if you are a time blocker, so you have all your activities blocked on your agenda, or otherwise you will have to maybe for a week just write down, think about how much time you spend on each and every type of task. Of course you can classify them like into meetings, different types of meetings. Maybe you have meetings with collaborators, you have meetings with clients, you have discovery meetings or pre-sales meetings, and then you have all of your projects that you're working on. Whatever activities you have, write them down. The second step is to take your list and to circle the 20% of the tasks that bring you the most revenue in your business. This is what you need to do more of. Then you look at the third step is to look at the other 80%, the remaining tasks that you haven't circled, and try and eliminate, to reduce, to outsource, to delegate, to do less of those. Just brainstorm any possibilities for either not doing them at all or not doing them yourself or spending less time on those items. And the fourth step is to look at those 20% of activities, those that create the most results. What can you do to create even more results? To focus maybe on the really top ones, or to create more results doing the activities in slightly different ways. I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know in the comments below which is the one activity that brings most revenue into your business. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that and enable notifications. You get notified every time that I release a new video related to how to get more time for what really matters to you, how to streamline your business, and how to be happier overall. I send you lots of love. Have a wonderful day.